there friends, Nibs again. Out here in the backyard doing a little bit of plinking this morning. Actually taking a break in between doing my yard work and chores around here. Thought I'd get out here and do a little bit of plinking while the grass was drying up a little bit so I can do more mowing. But what I got out here today to show you guys and test out is my Beeman underlever. This one's the 22 version. I believe it's a 1358 is the model number. 1358, yep. And this one's pretty cool. Mainly I wanted to get out and try out a couple of new trinkets I got for it. I just bought these bipods for it. They're side mount. They mount up on this barrel band that Buck Rail makes. And I also just got a new suppressor. I had another one, but it actually broke, and Terry redesigned the Terry did redesign the mount and everything, and it's actually a completely different product now. So he sent that over to me, and I did take a couple shots with it, and it is really quiet. The other one was very effective, but this one is super quiet. I got a target sitting at about 20 yards here. I'm going to try out a couple of different pellets. I've got the Crosman Premier Hollow Points. I do have 10 of those already loaded up in the magazine. And then I think we're going to try some of these H&N Barracudas, and we'll see what we can do. This gun wasn't the one pellet into the same hole every time type of gun, but it's pretty accurate, and it's a lot of fun to shoot. It's totally, something totally different. Got the bullpup type of arrangement, and then it's got the underlever here for actually cocking it. That's the reason I wanted to get these bipods for it, because when you rest it on a bag, that's right in the way of actually being able to cock the gun. So being on a set of bipods is really kind of the optimal way to do that. So, but let's go ahead and see what we can do. I'll do a 10-shot magazine, so I'll do, I think it's 10. I'll do 10 rounds, or 5 rounds into 2 of the splatterburst bullseyes that I have downrange, and then I'll load up 10 rounds of the Barracudas and we'll try those. So let's go ahead and see what we can do. These are a little tall. I imagine sitting on the bench at the range, this would be a lot more optimal. It's 3. It's a nice gun. It's fun to shoot, really fun to shoot. Tell you what, this thing has some bark. It's 4. This thing has some bark without a suppressor on it. Definitely would not be backyard friendly without that suppressor. All right, that's 5 on that one. That is not bad at all. Let's go ahead and move down to a clean splatterburst here, and then shoot another 5. Ooh, just a little up off the, shooting a little high. I actually had to bring it down some. I had this at, I think originally zeroed at 25 yards. All right. Does pretty good on air. I've already shot 2 mags. I topped it off before I came out today. I've shot 2 mags out of it, and now I'm sitting right at about 2,000 PSI, so about halfway on the fill. Which is about what I was seeing before, about 5 magazines on a fill. So this is the last one of the Crosman Premier hollow points. All right, yeah, it's not bad at all. Let's go ahead and load this mag up with some Barracudas and see what we can do with those. It's definitely good that you can find a gun shoots pretty decent with budget pellets. That helps the bottom line out usually. Just been raining and raining and raining. We got a couple of good days, it looks like now. But my lawn is saturated, but I have to get it mowed, or else I'll have to bring in a brush hog. Alright, so these Barracudas are 21 grain. The Crosmans are only a 14 grain, so I don't expect the point of impact to be quite as high with those, but let's go ahead and see what we can do. Ooh, off to the left. Did that one go in the same hole as the first one? I can't tell. Huh. I have no idea where those are going. I'm going to move up to, there's a bigger splatter burst on the target box here. Still off to the left. Yeah. Yeah, they're grouping pretty good, I guess. I don't know if... Yeah, I don't know. I guess this gun don't like these pellets. I haven't really tried them yet. I guess we'll stick with the Crosman Premier hollow points. Nope. Definitely not doing good there. It's just, I think this is the last one. Certainly did a lot better with the Crosmans. It's, oh, there was one more in there, but I can get that out of there. Let's just load up a couple more. I'll finish up. I'll do 5 more Crosmans and we'll wrap it up. I'll have to try it with some other pellets out here another day. Got enough air for about 5 more pellets, I think. That's looking better. Definitely didn't want to end on that horrible looking group from the Barracudas. All right, number 4. and number 5. Yep, definitely likes these hollow points a lot better than the other ones, and I'm sitting right at 1,000. So I got 4.5 magazines out of this fill. So not bad at all. Probably could do a couple more shots. It seemed like it was still shooting pretty consistent, but you don't want to take it down too far. So anyway, there you guys go. There's my Beeman underlever. It's a model 1358. They actually just came out with a 1359, which is a 25 caliber. I'm going to start looking around and see if I can get my hands on one of those. But this one is a lot of fun, and shoots pretty good when you find the right pellets for it. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Till next time, have a great day.